Hey, what's up? Tiger Rush here, and in this video I'm going to give you the exact strategy that you need to use when posting on your personal profile in order to create tons and tons of high quality targeted traffic. I've used this same strategy to generate $10,000 per month without spending a single dime on paid ads. So without further ado, let's jump inside my computer and I'll show you exactly what it is. So here we are on my personal profile. Now the mistake I see most people making is that they start posting these famous quotes or like silly cat pictures or just pretty much anything. They don't have a rhyme or a reason that they use in order to efficiently and effectively attract leads. You know, the sales process starts even before that initial conversation. So the strategy that I use is called the RVL method. R standing for results, V standing for value, and L standing for lifestyle. Now, results could be anything like this. Like as you can see here, this is a post I recently made that showcases some results that I helped someone that I was coaching to receive their first high ticket commission. So I put a little bit of sales copy, which sales copy is just words that sell. So I put a little bit of words here that explained what it is that happened and how it came about. And I put in a call to action, like to hit me up and let's change the problem that they're having. You know, let them know that success is just a message away. And down here is just a video testimonial and then a screenshot of her earnings. So this would be an example of a results post. And I'm not counting this. I went live on my profile, so that's something that you can also do. There's nothing more effective, in my opinion, than live video with connecting and building up the know, like, and trust. But here, this is something that is called a value post. So that was a results post. This was a value post that I made. Now, what a value post does is it educates, it teaches people something in their target market or solves a problem or points out an issue or a little known fact. It throws rocks at your target customers' enemies. It allies their fears. It encourages their dreams. These are types of things that you want to make for value posts. Typically, value posts can be, you know, anywhere from like medium to long. And then we have what's called a lifestyle post. So what lifestyle posts do is it acts to humanize your marketing. Nobody wants to go to your page and just pretty much seem like they're going to get spammed, like they're afraid to even talk to you because they're expecting the pitch a mile away. People want to have someone and buy from someone that they feel that they can relate to, that is a human being, that actually has problems, that's living a real life. So it does a lot to share your actual lifestyle, the characteristics and the personality traits that you want out there and you want projected out into your marketplace that represents you. So here I want to be represented as what I am, you know, a family guy, a father, a husband, and someone that actually cares about people. And what I do is I cycle through these types of posts. As you can see, this is another value post from me making commissions. You know, I don't just teach it, I also do it myself. I'm also an affiliate marketer. I make 5 figures per month doing affiliate marketing, and I also help others achieve full-time incomes as well. And as you can see, this is what I actually practice. I actually practice what I preach. This is another testimonial. I helped this guy get to 5 figures a month as well within 43 days of working together. And that's just what I do. Lifestyle, back to results, and then value. And I cycle through these things to build engagement, and then I follow up with the people that engage with my posts. I send them messages, I walk them through a sales script. And if you don't have a step-by-step sales script that you can walk people through, a process that you can get people from saying, hey, hello, how you doing, first coming in contact with you or your content, and get them to the point where they're pulling out a credit card and buying. I've made a video about this, walking through the 5-step process that I use to close high ticket sales regularly. And I'll link that right now here in this video. All right, you guys, so that was the exact strategy that I use to create 5 figures per month online using Facebook without spending any money on paid ads. And that was the results, value, lifestyle strategy. Try that out. Let me know in the comments below which one that you found most helpful, which ones have you been practicing, and which ones you haven't. So I'll see you guys in the next video.